Hello everyone, in this video we are going to cover complex and conceptual double curvature structures in Revit. So similar to the one that are done by Zaha Hadid or Frank Gehry or any other star architect, where you have a lot of complex shapes and the curved structure, which is like a kind of a piece of artwork. I know it's really hard to understand if Revit is really capable of doing stuff, but it is. The question is how easy you can do them and how flexible, what kind of output you're going to get, and so forth. And in this video, we are going to cover all of this stuff, including a tutorial step-by-step how to create such structures in Revit. Don't forget to give one of these because it really supports the channel and we are eager to create more videos for you. Let's hop into the video. Let's start with one of the most interesting buildings of Zaha Hadid. I know it's a little bit going to be complicated for Revit, but that's the whole point, so you can see how we can actually make such a structure and how we can do the glazing in the facade of this structure. So due to the time limit, we will not be able to do the whole length and the whole complexity of the structure, but we can imitate the front piece of that, the facade part. So let's jump into Revit and let's look at it, how we can actually do that. Obviously the shape is not nearby close to the one that the Zaha Hadid did. However, we just imitated and tried to see how the complex structures can work. We need more information than the actual, like an image of the facade and so forth, in order to get it exactly one-to-one. But this exercise is going to be great for you, so it will give a good insight and you will understand how to create such things. So let's jump into it and let's do the curtain walls and let's see how we can do it accurately and follow the curve of the structure. That will be really interesting, so keep watching. So all in all, you can see all the details and they are very accurate and smooth around the complex shapes and curves. You can use this method for your preliminary design. Obviously, when you go to the more complex and detailed stages where you need details of the curtain walls, this will not really work because of the limitation of the automation of the Revit. Therefore, this is really great for preliminary sketches and concept designs. If you'd like to learn more about Revit, please click on this video. We are also starting Revit Beginner series. If you have any questions, please comment below. We will be happy to answer and happy to include those topics within our syllabus of Revit Beginner series for YouTube. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel because every week we are publishing at least 3 videos for you. Don't forget to turn the notification bell on. See you next time.